How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be learning the C7 chord right now, okay? You know the regular C, you know C add 9, but you don't know C7, and that's why you're here, so let's do it. First finger, by the way, this is a 4-finger chord, all right? So first finger on the second to last. Okay, right there, Eddie A. Dynamite, goodbye, Eddie. Right there on the very goodbye. Okay, and the B. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to fret number 2 right there. That's going to be your second. Okay, so you got that right there. Not done yet. Put the third finger right there, and then you're going to kind of put this right in the middle. Your pinky, right in the middle of that. That is a really nice sounding chord. It really is, okay? This is really difficult, though. This is in my opinion, it's a really, really difficult chord. So again, first finger right there, then you put your second finger on the second fret. So first fret, second fret, and then we're going to go all the way to the third and then fourth fret. If you could see that, I'm going to put this kind of in a zoom. Okay, right there. Alright, so it actually sounds really nice, even with me putting my hands all the way close so you can see them. All 4 fingers, so again, start out, this is actually a really good idea, to start out with a regular C. What am I doing? Jesus, I had a brain fart. Start out the regular C right there, okay? And then just add your pinky. Just add your pinky, that's it, to the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4th string, okay? Really, really simple once you get that down. But it's not easy, though. It's not as easy as it looks. You're obviously going to go with that, but the pinky, though, the pinky is... Look at the pinky on that. Obviously, I'm buzzing a little bit. My apologies. I'm trying to get it close so you can see it. But it's not as easy as it looks just because of that. Now, we're going to be talking more about the 7th chords. We're almost done in this series. We talked about the E7, the A7, the D7, the G7, the C7. Now we're going to go to the B7 next. If you obviously have to subscribe for that, and we're going to be talking about it, taking a look at it right after this. So remember to leave a like and also subscribe.